Hi friends, Mr. Paul here. Today I have a lesson for you on the tree of life. The tree of life. Our wild, wonderful world, there are many living things. Scientists think that there might be as many as 8.7 million different forms of life on Earth. Long ago, when humans started to think about the different kinds of groups of living things on Earth, they knew of just the two major groups that you can see: plants and animals. So, our tree of life began with just the two major groups that humans could actually see: plants and animals. The first kingdom that we can talk about is the kingdom of plants. The kingdom of plants includes all the land plants, mosses, ferns, grasses, trees, and flowering plants. We know about plants. They make their own food. They do this through a special process called photosynthesis. You remember that. The next kingdom that we're going to talk about is the kingdom that you and I belong to, the kingdom of animals. The animal kingdom is the largest kingdom of living things on the planet. There are over 1 million known species or different kinds of animals. Animals cannot make their own food. They rely on other living things, such as plants and fungi, and other animals to sustain them. Without other food sources, animals could not survive. We know that there are many different kinds of animals, some that live on the land, and some that live in the sea, and some that make their habitat in the sky. All animals move around independently, and so they are different in that way from plants.